Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here about understand how you can start to go through something that we about to start to copy properties on Figma. First, you're gonna do about to go for here and then starting with copy properties, or what you're gonna do about to be understood through something that is really to be satisfied with. So go over here about to take any kind of project or object that you want. So I will go for polygon sync, and it's really going with a designed color in something. Okay, double click on it. Now what you're gonna do is about to change its color, and this will be like this. Or maybe we can do it without a color too. So you can start to go right click and choose copy properties. But actually you can't copy properties. You can start to copy it with its full things and paste it, and that is all about.